Hey, this is JD and FIA. I'm going to show you a 6-2-5-1-4 chord progression in your left hand. All right, so 6-2-5-1-4. We're in the key of C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to 1. All right, so our 6 is going to be our A. Our 2 is going to be our D. Our 5 is going to be a G. Our 1 will be a C. 4 will be F. We can use this anytime we got to go from the 6 and we got to get to the 4. For example, see how that falls? All right, so you can always use the good old 6-2-5-1-4, especially when it's in your left hand. All right, so the chords, left hand. First chord is playing an A minor. The screen is going to read slightly different. We're playing a rootless chord. All right, so we're playing an A minor 9 chord. If I put the A down here, you'll see the chord on the screen. All right, but without it, the left hand, I'm playing G, which is my 7th. C is my 9th. I'm sorry, B is my 9th. So I got G, B, C is my minor 3rd, and then E is my 5th. All right, so I'm playing G, B, C, and E. All right, next chord is my 2 chord. Normally we play at minor, but we're going to be playing at major in this case. All right, and it's going to be a D13 is the chord. But to get there, all I got to do is when I'm on the C chord here, or the A minor 9 chord, all I got to do is take my pinky and move it down to the F sharp. All right. All right. So it's very simple. Next move, I'm going to play a G minor 9. All right, because it goes 6, 2, 5. So it's going to give me a G minor 9. Normally we play a major chord on our 5, but in this case we're playing a minor chord. So left hand, I have F, which is my 7th. I'm voicing it the same way I voiced my other minor chord. A is my 9th. B flat is my minor 3rd. D is my 5th. All right, so we have A minor 9, D13, G minor 9. All right, and to get to our 1, which is our C. All right, C13 is the symbol that is reading. We have, only thing I'm doing is when I'm playing the G minor 9 with the F, I'm gonna move it down to E and keep everything else the same. So I have E, A, B flat, and D. All right. So up to there we have A minor 9, drop the pinky, that'll put me on D13, G minor 9, same thing, drop the pinky, it's gonna put me on C13. If the bass player is playing C or rootless all the way, and then we're gonna go to a 4, F major 7, F, A, C, and E. So 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. All right. So I hope they help. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.